How to insert word art in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Then, at the top, click on Insert. After you've clicked on Insert, here you'll find Word Art option on the top left. Click on Word Art option. Here you'll find different options. Select the one you prefer and it will pop up in your sheet. Now you can simply type in what you want. At the top you also find option to shape fill, background, color. You can change it from the top. After you are good to go, press on enter and you're good to go. This is how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.